Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to the channel. I really hope you all are doing amazingly great. If at all you're visiting the channel for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to press the bell icon. In today's video, I'm discussing with all of you a very simple 2 steps which can really transform your skin. Whatever tiredness or dullness is there in your skin, it will absolutely go away because the ingredients are extremely powerful. I would insist that you read more about the ingredients, always take a patch test, understand what are we doing for the skin, what are the ingredients and in which order are we using it to make sense of yes, it is going to work. That willingness, that positivity of using the ingredients makes whole lot of a difference. So step number 1, like every single time, is going to be washing off your face. Use a very nice SLS free, paraben free cleanser to clean all the impurities that lie on your skin. If at all you put kohl or very minimum makeup, please do double cleansing. Step number 1, an oil-based cleanser, and number 2, a foaming cleanser that is non-dehydrating. You have to really make a good choice as to which face wash, which cleanser is suiting you well, is not giving you dry skin, is not causing harm in the long run. Some of the options that I'm very comfortable about, I'm going to give it in the description box. Do try them out. If you haven't tried Preeti Prerna Upton face wash yet, give it a try. You'll be amazed and you might not go to any other option because that's finest of all. Step number 2 is going to be putting a toner all over your clean and fresh face, but this toner is something that you have to prepare at home, so you have to understand the entire process, how it is to be done. This toner will make sure that your skin is absolutely ready to accept the actives that are going to come next. And yes, the toner itself is extremely powerful and very potent, so please stay tuned and understand the process of making it very thoroughly. Step number 1, you're going to boil 1 cup of water thoroughly, and into it goes 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. It could be dried or fresh, whatever you have. The second would be 1 stick of cinnamon. Yes, the spice, which is absolutely so fragrant, but the potency of topical application of this spice is something that cannot be actually explained to you. So give it a try and you will understand. Once you let it simmer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, it will reduce to half of its quantity. You switch off the flame, let it cool down, and then strain it in a spray bottle. Now this toner is something that can by itself give wonderful change to your skin. You would see visible changes happening. Whatever the breakouts that were commonly there will start subsiding to a certain extent, and you'll have absolutely clean skin. Now after you have applied the spray on your face, let it absorb by itself. Do not use any additional method, just running or just fanning your face. Let it absorb, let your skin actually drink this decoction. And the next step is going to be a serum that again you are going to prepare. And this particular serum are the actives that your skin is going to literally accept and drink it and start showing you results in just few applications itself. For the preparation of our amazing active serum, you would require 2 tablespoons of rose water. You can take any rose water that you are comfortable about. Into it goes few dried leaves of rosemary. You cannot use fresh here. You can, but obviously you'll have to take care that it doesn't go foul, etc. So it's better to be sure and use dried rosemary over here. Number 3, you're going to add a very small stick of cinnamon. Now there is absolutely no fixed ratio. You can play with the ratio. Start with very small, and when you see changes, you can just go to increase the size of the cinnamon stick that you're using. Into it, we are going to add approximately half a tablespoon of glycerine. Yes, that's the magic that you are going to see, that your skin is getting plumper. Your acne and whatever breakouts you were having, they are subsiding, and it is doing wonders for your skin. Next, you're going to add half a teaspoon of jojoba oil and half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix all the things properly and put it in a dropper bottle. Now this serum, let the ingredients settle into it. Let it be there for some time. In fact, till the time you use the entire serum. Let it infuse its qualities into the entire decoction and put few drops all across your face. Pat your skin to actually absorb all the things, and you are good to go. Let the decoction completely get absorbed in the skin, and post that, if you want to moisturize, please go for it. If you're doing the entire process in the morning hours, do not forget to put the sunscreen. That's very important because you're using actives over here, and we don't want our skin to be reacting to the sun in any other way that we don't want. So properly moisturize your skin, put sunscreen, and you're ready to win the world. Continuously use the entire process for approximately a week or two. Once you start seeing the results, you can continue using it for approximately 1 to 2 months and then take a break. Natural actives are even more powerful, but again, as I always say, take breaks and then reuse the product. It will give you better results. So I really hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. If at all you're new to the channel, do not go without subscribing. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take really good care of yourself and know for sure you are amazingly beautiful. Lots of love.